Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? So today's interview question is: what are the differences between entry point and CMD in Dockerfile, and when do you want to combine them? So I will show you one example. So after seeing that example, you won't have any confusion. After that, we'll look at the answer to this question. So first, see the example first. So first example will be using CMD. Okay. So let's do that. I have already one file using CMD. Dockerfile. So here I am using base image Alpine and CMD echo hello world, hello from CMD. Okay. So it's a simple one. Base image and CMD echo hello from CMD. So let's build the image. And after that we'll be running Docker run my image. So what it will print? I've seen the Docker file. It says hello from CMD. So if I run this Docker run my image without passing any arguments, what it is going to print? It is going to print hello from CMD. Now, if I use hello overridden, then what will it print? I have to give echo. I have to give echo. Docker run my image echo hello overridden. So it printed hello overridden, right? So I'm able to override this image, override this message. Whatever message was there, I'm able to override this when I'm using CMD. Now I'll be using entry point. Okay. So let's look at the Docker file from Alpine entry point echo hello from entry point. And here I'm going to just build this one. So entry point message is hello from entry point. So let's run this one. Docker run my image. It will be hello from entry point. And now I want to overridden message. I don't need to give echo because echo is already there. For CMD echo was required, but here we don't need echo. Let's see what happens. So hello from entry point, then overridden message. So message got appended. This message got appended to the entry point message. So entry point, it's a strict rule that this message will be printed. And after that, whatever arguments you're passing, that's getting appended. Okay. Hello from entry point, overridden message. So it is getting appended. Entry point message is getting appended. Now we can try to use both. We'll run Docker file. We'll use the entry point and CMD both. Then what will happen? The entry point is echo and CMD we can override. So echo will be always there. So in that case, we'll be able to send the custom message. Okay. And let's run Docker run Docker run my image. Default message is 20. Default message is CMD default message. Now if I print custom message, custom message will get printed, right? Custom message is getting printed, but I can't run any other command. Echo is strictly, I have to run echo. Here you can see that I have to run echo strictly. So I can send that customized message. So we will think what is the difference between from Alpine and CMD echo default message and entry point echo CMD default message. What is the difference? Like here, if I remove this entry echo and put echo here, then what will be the difference? The difference is here echo is strict. We cannot override echo. For example, if I let's say do ls minus la, so it's printing ls minus la. So echo is by default echo is there, right? I cannot change that echo. But here, same D, this echo also I can override, right? This echo also I can override. I can build the image. I will show you that echo is also can be overridden. So run. Anyway, I can give custom message. That is fine. But I can also do ls minus la, and it will run echo. It is going to run my own command, right? ls minus la. So I am able to override that. So you don't want anyone to get into the Docker and do ls minus l and all this. So that's why you're putting entry point echo, strictly echo. Whatever you want to do, they should be able to run only that binary. You should not be able to do mess around with the system, right? Should not be able to do anything else, right? So that's a strict one. So I hope it's clear. Now let's go to the summary. So CMD sets default command and default command and arguments, but can be overridden. Both can be overridden. Command and arguments, both you can override. Entry point sets a fixed command. Arguments can be appended. Whatever they're saying, on top of that, you can add something else. Means append it, right? It will print echo hello world. It will print hello world, then overridden. That will be added. Same default behavior, entry point for strict execution. Right? And if you combine both, entry point you can define the executable. You want to do only print. You want to run your executable only. Don't want to run ls minus l, find something in the file, do mess around with the system. So you don't want that. So you specify the executable. This is strict. And only a default argument you are passing, that custom message or whatever parameters, arguments to that executable can be modified. So this is your executable. It can be code, it can be whatever program you want to run. Arguments to that program can be overridden using a CMD. So this is what you do with combining both. So now let's see today's question. The question I posted on my page, LinkedIn Devops Challenge Hub. What happens if you specify both entry point and CMD in a Docker file? CMD will be ignored, only entry point will execute. Entry point acts as a fixed executable, CMD provides default argument. So we have already seen this, right? This is the answer, right? Entry point acts as fixed executable and CMD provides default argument. This is where we want to use we want to combine both. So hope you like the video, hope it's clear. Like I've given three different examples. If you're not clear, again, you can rewind and watch the video. So it will be clear. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like it and share it. And this will give me motivation to create more such videos, interview questions, and also follow my WhatsApp channel and follow my LinkedIn page, and you can participate in the contest. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.